Oh my god.
It counts the number of steps down, so here we're at 75. I didn't put all that work on the Stairmaster in for nothing.
Me siento el calor de tu mira, cuando se acerca estoy tranquila y no me importa nada.
Alright, so for our tour, we booked it through the Messiah Hostel. Our specific Guatape tour was the gastronomic tour. That includes a food tasting. You get to stop off at a bunch of places along the way and try local foods, and it also includes a boat tour.
It's hella early. It's like 8 a.m. Just got picked up at the Messiah for a tour of Guatapé, and yeah, I don't know where we're going right now. I think we're walking to the shuttle or something, and then from there we're going to Guatapé. Okay, a little pit stop, a beautiful little town. Bright day outside, so hopefully this weather sticks up for the rest of Guatapé. Yeah, that bus, like they gotta turn that music down. The speaker's like right above our heads, and like can't talk, can't sleep, can't nothing.
Sabes que todo lo que yo podría tener no se compara con estar viéndote una y otra vez desnudita. Y haces que te vas y ya ni.
This coffee is super good. Like the best hot coffee I've ever had. I only really drink the cold stuff, but it's really good.
Pepsi tomato.
Gracias.
Pasando toda la noche sin palabras, ya no entiendes que no hay nada que decir. Solo vamos a repetir. Es que me traes loquito, moviendo ese culito. Yo te quiero dar sin miedo, llevo tu voz sin miedo. Yo te quiero dar sin miedo.
It is very, very hot outside. Like, how hot would you say it is right now? 30? Yeah, like 30 degrees. But yeah, look at that view behind us. That's so cool. There you got the big rock, Piedra. I know it. So you gotta get in line and get a ticket, and thankfully the line's not that long. Looks like it's moving pretty smoothly, but yeah, it's fine. La Piedra. This is the line for the rock. Piedra in Spanish is rock. So it might not seem like, I don't know, that many steps, but it's a lot of steps, and it can't, you know.
Oh my god.
It counts the number of steps down, so here we're at 75. So, hey man, almost 100 steps in. Let's go. Sorry, get us. Come on. I didn't put all that work on the Stairmaster in for nothing. And look at that view. This ain't got nothing on Machu Picchu. I've done that. I could do this. Almost double it at 150. No momento. Vamos. All right, that's pretty hard. Not unbearable, but hard. Made it to the top. It's some nice gift shops and stuff, and better viewing platform right up there. I'm gonna turn this camera around, and on this side, another little bridge, scenic area, some washrooms way down there, and still can't get over this view. It's gorgeous. A lot of searching for the ideal magnet. Found the best one was these ones right here.
Man, that walk was insane.
Yeah, it was tough, man.
That was crazy.
But not unbearable. Like so much going on down there. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs up here. But like, some buildings being built on the waterfront. There's some boats. And I think over there, I saw a water park. So that's pretty cool. I thought people have that set up. And yeah, this would be like an ideal place to build a waterfront home. I don't know if it's allowed or especially for foreigners, but it would be nice. Alright, now starting our walk all the way back down. The way down should be super easy. We're going down to see something like this massive going all the way up, this giant crack that these steps were built between. So here, it's almost like Hogwarts where the staircases intersect, so some people going up, some people going down. We've got about 400 steps to go to get back down there. Our bus leaves at 1. We only really had an hour and 15 minutes to do this whole thing. About $6.75 on the way down, and just about the same amount on the way up too. Alright, our bus made it back, and now we are gonna head to a boat tour, I think. Boat tour. Look at some of these houses. Like, wow.
Oh, because they're like, stop this and we'll like.
These ones too.
Well, that part of everything.
Over here, it looks like this is a floating restaurant on the water.
Yeah.
Unclop. Here, see the umbrellas.
lot of anime stuff, and it's right under the Umbrella Street. Coolest shirts I've seen in a long time. So it's a beach shirt that's like Dragon Ball themed. It's got all the comic panels on it too. They don't have an extra small though. I need an a large at least. Really good gelato. Don't mind my hand. They gave us an hour or so walking time, hour 15 minutes walking time when we through this tour that we booked. So we're just walking around town and it's beautiful. Like, this entire place. You can tell how sunburned the cheeks and face are because I didn't think I needed sunscreen. I thought this was a sufficient amount of melanin. One-piece ponchos. Last snack on our thing, it's cheese with guava. That tastes so good. Amazing.